Hi everybody, today's focus, I am testing out the Norwex Descaler. So full disclosure, I am not a Norwex rep. I do not have an account with Norwex at all. I just order Norwex products from a friend. I have purchased quite a few of their products. I have a bunch of EnviroCloths, window cloth, cleaning paste, their mop system, the bathtub scrubber, dusting mitt, descaler, and a few other things I'm sure. And I've made videos about a couple of those products on this channel. But today I'm going to focus on the descaler. So I have some hard water stains around my kitchen and my bathroom faucet that drive me crazy. I've tried multiple products to try to clean them, and I haven't found anything that works at all at removing that hard water scale buildup. So the Norwex rep that I purchased this descaler from wanted to remind me that the buildup occurs over time, so don't expect this spray to work in the first quick try, that it may take multiple iterations of using the descaler to remove all of the buildup that's around my faucets. As for the directions, it says to spray on a surface and let it work for 5 to 10 minutes. I'll start with 5 and we'll go from there. Rinse and wipe off with a damp microfiber cloth before the product completely dries. Easy enough. So hopefully this product will be able to remove some of those tough stains. It was very expensive, I will say that right off the bat. I paid $31.99 plus shipping. I think it was like $8 for shipping. I did order something else with it, so the box had 2 products in it. It is 12 ounces. So at $31.99, that's $2.67 per ounce. That is very expensive. So I'm really hoping that it works. So let's get started and see how well the Norwex Descaler removes the hard water stains around my bathroom and kitchen faucets. So now that I've used it, let's discuss the Norwex Descaler. First, I just want to put out there, it does have a very light scent. It doesn't linger in the air long, but there is a light scent to it. You just saw in the video. It worked really well in my bathroom. Very well. I've had no other product that was able to remove that buildup like this Descaler. It did take a couple of iterations, but it did work and it worked well. But for my kitchen, I'm not impressed with it at all. I did use it a couple more times off camera just to see, like, give it one more chance, try it again. So I'm not very impressed with it in my kitchen, but I am very impressed with it in my bathroom sink. So I have a hard time telling people to buy a $32 12-ounce bottle of a product that just works okay. I should say that I really do enjoy a lot of Norwex's products, and this is why every once in a while I test out another one, because some of them are just so good. And I do love the company's mission of being so environmentally friendly. But for the Descaler, I hate to say it was a flop. It wasn't a flop because it did work for the bathroom. I think they just kind of missed the mark on pricing this guy. I'm pretty sure that some rep is going to comment and say, I didn't use a particular sponge, and that if I use this particular sponge, it would magically work. Maybe that's true, maybe it's not, but I really feel like since it worked in the bathroom, it should have worked in the kitchen also. So those are my thoughts about the Norwex Descaler. If there's a product that you would like me to test out, put in the comments section and I will do my absolute best to get to it. Take care. Have yourselves a great day.